guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really gonna make this video really quick because y'all, I'm really tired. It's been a long day, but I decided to come here and quickly make this video so I don't forget and I don't, yeah, we know how that goes. So let's not even start that inconsistent thing anymore. You know, we're doing better 2018. I cannot go to sleep today without making this video, so that's why I'm here today, to show off this gorgeous hair that I have in my hair. And yes, it is crochet braids, and the name of this hair I have is the Freetress Deep Twist Hair 22 inches. And yes, y'all, like, this is some synthetic hair, but I'm sorry, like, it is looking like some bundles. Like, I'm so excited because, you know, I didn't spend too much money and I just wanted the look for like a really nice photo shoot. And instead of wasting money ordering bundles, like, I decided to go the cheaper route, you know. Beauty on a budget, y'all, like, beauty on a budget. So the name of this hair, like I said, is a Deep Twist by Freetress. And so this hair costs $5.99 a pack. And you only need 3 to 4 packs. Honestly, 3 packs, because the way I did mine, I picked it really tiny so it could be full and gorgeous. And shout out to my really close friend, she's also here on YouTube, Yemisi Shingle. This girl helped me with this hair because, y'all, doing this hair, especially picking it out really tiny, is so time consuming, but we did it, y'all. Like, so like I said, it's been a week since I've had this hair and I think it's holding up pretty good. I actually like the fact that it's getting a little frizzier because to me it gives it that natural look, okay. What else am I forgetting? Oh yeah, I use for my, because I have a big head, y'all, I use 3 packs and a little bit of the 4th pack. So for people with smaller heads, 3 packs is normally enough, because my friend, I think she only used 3 packs. And yeah, I have a big head, so yeah. But yeah, guys, I really like it. I don't see the reason to spend too much money when you just need something like this quickly for like a nice photo shoot and calling it a day. But yeah, let me know if you like it, and if you have any questions, y'all, let me know. I want to just show you guys what mine was looking like. I love it, love it, love it. I'm gonna give you guys a 360 view, so stay tuned for that as well. But I'm trying to remember what else I need to tell you guys about this hair. Oh yeah, it's a color 1. I initially went there looking for a 1B, but they ran out. Guess everybody's hip to the hair, but 1, I think it actually played its part. It was really nice. I'm not complaining. And I chopped up a little bit of the ends and like shaved up some up the side, just because it was kind of like a lot when I first put it in. I just had to, like, you know, kind of, I'm still gonna do some more cutting because I see straight hairs all the time, but you know, it's no big deal. I just cut it off. And then yeah, let me know how you like it. Thumbs up this video if you love it. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, let me know how you like it. If you get this hairstyle done, let me know. Like, I just feel like it's gorgeous. 60 view. Ready, set, go. Also, if you really want to know like how my braid pattern looks, you know, with this hairstyle, just go check out my other crochet hair reviews. I do the same braid pattern. For the most part, the main thing that I do when I do my braid pattern is make sure that my middle part is connected and my side part is connected, as well as the one over here as well, so I could part it any way I want. But yeah, for this look, I'm just gonna leave a side part. I don't want to keep, you know, changing the parts, just because I don't want, when they start sticking together, it's just hard to deal with, okay? But yeah, this is it, y'all. I love it, love it, love it. I love it. This is actually my first time doing this hair long. I've done this hair before, but I kind of kept it really short. But I decided to go really long this time, and I actually love it. I know this hair is not gonna last that long, but that's fine with me. If it lasts me 2 weeks, I'm good. I'm good with that, you know. But right now, I'm just enjoying just the look of it. A lot of people didn't really think it was crochet hair until I told them. So yeah, let me know how you like it, and see you guys on my next video. Bye.